JCK Antelope. JCK Mango. JCK Deer. JCK Moose. JCK Buffalo. JCK Otter. JCK Party. We're going to have a party, big party.
You want to have a big party?
Yeah?
Okay.
Who do you want to invite?
Who should come to our party?
Is that good?
You gonna have a party when it's dark out? Okay, who do you want? Who should come to our party? Should we invite Mimi and Poppy?
A party.
Yeah, should Mimi and Poppy come to our party? What about Katie and Chris?
Because of a party.
Yeah, what about Uncle Jimmy and Aunt Shell?
Uncle Jimmy and Sally. I go party.
What about Mama and Papa? Grandpa Jack?
Papa Jack and Roots. Hi.
Should we invite Uncle Jack and Aunt Jenny and Elizabeth and Hannah?
Is it living Hannah?
Yeah. That would be fun, huh?
Go. Go. Big party.
Okay. You got it. Big party.